Hey guys, welcome back. I got a few new kits that I just acquired that I wanted to let you guys see what you think about them, see if you've ever built these. Some of them are older kits. Well, they're all older kits actually, and I say older, I'm from the 70s to the 90s. So yeah, here's the first one. Revell 1959 Ford Galaxy. This is the I think, if I am not mistaken, I built this kit when I was a kid. Copyright date on this thing is 1988. So 1988, did you build this kit? It's the hardtop convertible, remember that Starliner or something like that's what they called it. Pretty sure I built this kit. I got this one, not all of them, but this kit and another one I'm going to show you. Market Hobby Nut Model sent me over. Obviously they're old kits, but he said, you interested in these? And I'm like, oh yeah. So yeah, I'm going to open, I'll just show you really quick. But yeah, all the I love how the older kits were molded in these just weird colors. I don't understand, you know, I guess maybe they thought that would look good. Yeah, it's got the instructions. Everything seems to be here. I went over it all. Got the white walls, which that white wall is actually, the white wall is inserted in there. Little skinny tires. But a bag full of parts here. Pretty sure everything is there. And the chrome and the windshield and all that stuff is here. This will definitely be one that I'm going to build. And it'll be cool. It brings back memories. I used to love that car when I was a kid. My dad liked it. Obviously, as a young boy, I liked what my dad liked. But that hardtop convertible was so neat. That big, huge trunk would open up and just swallow up the roof. So yeah, that's one right here. 59 Galaxy by Revell. Another one that he sent me, this is the second one he sent me, is really cool. And it's this. It's a re-release from 1967, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, it says 1967 right there. That's not the copyright date for this kit. It will trick you if you're not careful. Look on this side, 1995. So, Revell monogram re-released this kit, and if you notice, it's empty. It may be getting built. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I don't hear any parts in here, so maybe it's getting built. But this is a cool car. I had never seen this car before. And I know a lot, I've seen a bunch of old drag cars and things, and just unique type drag cars like the Hemi Under Glass. It's a wheel stand car. There was another car that had 4 engines back in the 50s or 60s. It was more like a open cockpit car, but it had 4 like Oldsmobile engines, and it would smoke all 4 tires. It was 4-wheel drive. This thing has 2 engines, one in the front and one in the back, and it has Cadillac hubcaps. Well, yes, it had 2 Cadillac front-wheel drive powertrains, one in the front, one in the back, and it's kind of a curbside kit where the hood doesn't open. You don't have to do a whole lot of detail on the engines because you don't see them much. But there is the paint job is 2-tone, so that'll be pretty cool. But yeah, it's just a really nostalgic old kit. Thank you, Mark, for sending that over. We'll be seeing that kit pretty soon. And here's another one I got. I got this one recently off eBay, and if the camera would adjust, there it goes. 48 Ford Coupe, and this is the Testers model. This one has a, let's see if I can find a date on it. I thought there was a date on it. Well, maybe it's back here. Okay, here's one. This is 1987 is the copyright date. So this is a cool car. My dad built the Testers 48 Ford convertible, and I've got the remains of it down below this bench that I'm doing showing you these kits on. I want to get it too. It's the 48 Ford convertible by Testers. I've heard that these were horrible kits, but it brought back memories when I saw this, and it reminded me of my dad building that one. Although it's not the convertible, this would be a neat kit. I'll never build it. It'll probably sit on my shelf. It's still in the plastic. I'm not going to open it. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I like the 48 Ford. I built that one a while, just recently, not a while back. Just recently, the one that looked like chocolate brown, the Hershey delivery car, and it was a great build. It was a Revell kit. But yeah, that'd be a good one to build. And almost last but not least, I got this one just recently. Bite Shelby AMT, also the Matchbox Corporation. And this one, copyright date 1979. It was an open kit. It's not, the parts are not in the plastic. I got a great price on it. Don't remember exactly what it was, but it wasn't outrageous at all. Probably a little cheaper than you can buy a new kit for. I didn't want to pass it up. And inside the contents, there you go. Look at that beautiful, beautiful yellow plastic. You know, I don't know why they did that, but anyway, they did. I remember I had a friend, and I've mentioned this before on videos, and he's my friend, but he couldn't afford paint and things like that, so if he ever got a model, he just had a model in glue. And if it was this car, it was a yellow 57 Chevrolet that he built, and it was yellow, and it was all yellow, and it brings back memories when I see these yellow kits. But actually, it isn't a bag, it's just kind of pieces in a bag. I'm hoping it's all here. It looks like it is. The old style tires, you guys remember these? Just those. Darn camera, come on. Anyway, these tires where you cut the centers out like that, and it's just a typical tire from the late 70s and early 80s. Chrome is still in the package. 2 sets of wheels. I don't know if you can tell much about it. 2 sets of wheels, the radiator or the grill, and the rear bumper. Here's a few extra little parts down the box. The glass, which is it could stand a buffing, and I'll have to give it a buffing. The decals look like they're pretty much toast. This one's got quite a bit of, oh yeah, they're toast, definitely. They're already cracked up. That's okay. You can make the kit look good if I ever built it. Probably won't. I'm one of those model hoarders. I like to buy them just because it's fun to buy them. And then this cool little instruction sheet, which is discolored because of its age. Super in-depth detail, you know. It's like, what, 1 piece of paper total? But you get the message. That's it. That's the instructions. But it'd be cool. And one other thing, let me stick this back in here. One other thing that's interesting about when I got this kit is when the eBay seller that I bought it from sent it to me, when I opened it up, come on camera, I gotta figure out how to get this autofocus to work better. When I opened the box, it had this in it, and this, and these tires and glass and some AMT playing cards, or trading cards, which is open, so I guess I can look at them really quick. Terry Labonte, these are brand new. It's pretty cool. Oh, I've got that kit. It's right above the camera, actually. I'm looking right at it, right above the camera. And little snake bite. Yeah, so all this was in there. So I got, not only did I get that Shelby Cobra or snake bite kit, they say this, and they even sent the instructions. As far as I can tell, check this out. I don't know If that's how it was sent, like sealed, this is sealed. I don't know if it was sealed from the factory like that, or it looks like it was. I mean, so they sent me 2 entire kits, and this is one of those 2-in-1 deal. It's got the I can see the stack sticking out of the hood. Drag slicks. It comes with drag slicks. A full set of, well, I'm dropping them all on the floor. A full set of tires, and a set of slicks. Holy cow. Oh man, check it out. I just noticed this. I didn't see this earlier. Let me open this up. It'll be alright. I'm excited. I didn't even realize this earlier. This kit, any of you gearheads that know about any old Ford engines, this has got, as soon as I saw that, I knew what this is. It's an FE engine. It's a 427, or, you know, it probably was supposed to be a 427. So the 427 with the single overhead cam, or the sock. There's your valve covers. Holy cow, that's so cool. Here's your normal valve covers for your 427. And then there's your single overhead cam valve covers. And this would go on the front of the 427. The timing chain cover. Dual 4 intake. This is too cool. This is more cool than the kit that I actually bought. I've got to get on there and give these people some great feedback. Okay, so this is the same grill and bumper, or rear, yeah, bumper, as the other kit. But this one, and it has another set of valve covers. Maybe it's got more than one engine. Let's open it up. I'm going to build this one, just because I don't have a box. So maybe it's got a... yeah, this kit has never been opened. This is amazing. And I didn't even buy it. They just sent it to me. Same exact body as that yellow one, except it's molded in white, obviously. And it's newer. It's this, I think these instructions have a date somewhere, and it was a little newer. Has the decals. I don't know if these decals are any good either, but that's okay. I wanted to see how many engine blocks it came with. Okay, so it only comes with... so it comes with one engine. There's your cylinder heads for the FE. You can tell that they're FE cylinder heads. Single carburetor intake. Yeah, how cool is this? 2 kits for the price of one, and the other kit is actually probably a better kit. There's your hood with the place where you can cut it out. I'm excited. Too cool. Too stinking cool. There's a... yeah. So I guess you have the choice of... okay, those would have been the valve covers, I guess, because of it's a Cobra Mustang. Then they give you the set of valve covers that look more like a stock style valve cover, but with chrome. And then they give you this sock, or the single overhead cam valve covers that would fit the big timing chain cover. This is too cool. It will be a drag car too. It will be a drag car with the big single overhead cam 427. And not only that, I got these old cards. Let's see if I can see a date really quick. I thought that I opened it and saw a date on the instructions. Maybe I was wrong. It's got a way bigger instruction sheet than the other kit, that's for sure. If it's the same kit, which I think it is, but this dude's got lots bigger. I don't see the I thought I saw a date. I guess I didn't, but that's okay. But it was definitely later, because it was AMT and Ertl, E-R-T-L. Anyway, all right, guys, I'm done rambling. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. If you haven't joined our Facebook group yet, go over to Model Car Videos Facebook group and join. We're having a lot of fun over there. If you have not gone over to Hobby Nut Models, go check it out. I'm trying to get all these in here so you can see. There we go. If you haven't gone over there to check out Hobby Nut Models, go check them out. Yeah. Tell me if you've got any of these kits. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you've got. Tell me if I got ripped or if I got a deal. But you don't know how much I paid for it, so you don't know if I got a deal or not. I think this one here was around $20 with shipping included. And then I got 2 kits for that. That's so cool. Anyway, alright, done rambling. You guys have a good one. See you on the next video. It'll be a build video, I hope the next one will be. And y'all take care. We'll see you later. Bye.